Okay, so I'm going to just very quickly show you how you can change some of your Discord settings and probably more importantly, some of your server settings. So first of all, now that you've joined our server, you'll see the list of servers down here on the left hand side. So I have a few servers for my different classes, but you'll probably just have the one, DW, just here, which is for our Discord workshop. So I want you to click on that and it will open this panel where it says Discord Workshop at the top, and just above my head here what you'll see are these three dots. So if you select those, it will open up the options for the Discord Workshop server. So we're just going to have a look at 2 or 3 things in these options because most of them for now are not really so important for us. So first of all, if you look at the server settings and we scroll down, you can see the members of the server. So for example, if this were a class, you'd be able to see the people in your class. Roles, this means that different people have different permissions in different channels. So this we'll go into a bit later when we talk about being an administrator on Discord. So let's go back. Second, notification settings. So just like in your WhatsApp group, if you want, you can completely mute your group. Okay? Usually you don't really need to do that because we can change our settings here. So what you'll see just up here, if we select all messages, this is like being in a WhatsApp group, but just getting all the messages that are sent to the group. Okay, so I wouldn't really recommend this. So if you select only at mentions, what that means is that if your app is closed, you'll only get a notification from the app if someone tags you with an at mention. So this could be, for example, at James or at everyone. Let's go back. So, last thing in the options, you can also change your nickname. This is quite useful. If your username on Discord is already something acceptable, let's say if your username is your real name, then this won't really create any problems. But what you'll find is that if students are already using Discord for games, they might have some strange name for gaming, and then if they use that same name on your server, you can't really understand who they are. So for example, if in gaming the student calls themselves, I don't know, the Purple Demon, then when they message you in your server, it will also say this message has come from the Purple Demon. So I recommended to students that they should probably change that. So I actually made a requirement that all students should use their real name in our server. So if you haven't already done that, could you change your nickname on the server to your real name? But of course, if your Discord username is already your real name, this is unnecessary. So let's go back.